Belcher. I got my guy Odis here. We're in New York from Clubhouse to the Real House, and I really just wanted to sit down and take some time with a few of the guys so that way they can introduce you and kind of hear some of the strategies from them. And today we're asking everybody, how do we make $1 million in 12 months?
How do you make $1 million in 12 months? You can't. The odds are 1 in 1,000 of you coming into a new space and making $1 million in 12 months. You can scale up to that. You can start small and scale up to that to where your income monthly starts accumulating, right? And then you end up making $1 million in 12 months. But if somebody tells you that you can make $1 million in 12 months and they're teaching it and they're telling you to go into a new space and do that, tell them to put it on paper.
Yeah, right. Right.
I don't believe that. It's not a get rich quick. Do something you enjoy and not focus on $1 million in 12 months. Because here's a secret: once you make $1 million in 12 months, now what? You still got the same issues you had before you made $1 million
right.
in 12 months.
Yeah, right. So how can they start small to build up that over time?
So if you don't have any money, right, find somebody doing something, anything, rebrand it, and hire them and mark the price up. It's called outsourcing.
Yeah.
I did that. I had a trash hauling service. I didn't have any trucks. I didn't have any employees. I didn't have any insurance for it.
Yeah.
But there was a bunch of people in my neighborhood who had little mom and pop hauling services.
Yeah.
So I said, well, how much will you charge me per truckload? They said $700. I leveraged my relationships and charged my customers $1,800 a truckload.
Right.
We did 30 truckloads a week.
Amen.
Right? So there's ways to get to that point, but I still didn't make $1 million in 12 months. Start off with making $5,000 in a month, right?
Yep.
And then duplicate that process.
Boom, I love that. So there is just one of the ways that I make money in my real estate business as well with the trash out company, that you guys can do the same. Hey, thanks for your time, brother.
What's up, man?